Time feels different when the body is weak. The hours drag on, and the walls of your own home start to feel like a cage. I spent the last few days staring at the ceiling, waiting for my strength to return. But silence can sometimes be heavy. Then the sky turned gray and the mercy began to fall. The sound of rain on the roof wasn't just noise. It was a signal, a call to step out. I realized that healing doesn't happen while waiting in bed. Healing starts with the first step into the cold air. Everything looks different under the rain. There is a scent that only comes now. The dust is washed away, revealing the true colors of the earth. The smell of dry earth, drinking water. It reminds me that even the driest soul can bloom again. Nature doesn't rush to heal. It just accepts the rain. Walking on this empty road, taking a deep breath without pain, is a luxury I often ignored. We think we need big miracles to be happy. But today, I realized the truth. The miracle is right here. A healthy lung, a beating heart, and a quiet path washed by God's mercy.